I also saw my trainer and somebody who has worked very hard with me. She heads up artistic yoga here in Bombay. Usha, are you here in the audience still? Can we hear it from you? Is there such a place as Weight Nirvana? Have you found it?
Yes, there is. If you work on your metabolic rate, you can eat just about any dessert buffet and you'll remain just the same. I know everyone hates me for saying this right now, but it's the truth. So you've just got to work on your yoga a little bit harder, maybe 1 year or 2 years, and then you can attain that metabolic rate, and then you stay there, you remain there. And I congratulate you.
I agree. I mean, that's the only way that my weight ever stayed stable. And, because you stop overeating because your mind is in balance. And I don't know about your metabolic rate, but you definitely don't, just overeat for the sake of it. I think yoga is the only answer.
It's true. One of the things that Usha said to me when I was working with her was that, your body will understand. And just keep talking to it. I was talking to my body. I'm not one of those people who talks to my dog. I'm sorry. I'm not crazy. Okay? She was like, just do it. And then for 3 weeks, I remember doing the routine with her trainer on 5 days a week or 6 days a week and not losing any weight. And then suddenly, the weight just kept coming off, like 500 grams every day, every day. I was just like, what is going on with this? I also saw Jamal here in the audience, who's the editor of Men's Health. Can he give us another point of view? Because, I mean, all the people on your magazine, they don't do yoga. They're pumping big time. And supplements. Is that a way to weight nirvana?
I think it's as simple as this. Running on a treadmill, that's what Men's Health says. Running on a treadmill makes you lose weight for the 20 minutes or the 40 minutes that you're on the treadmill. Making muscle increases your metabolism and makes you burn weight for the 24 hours after you've finished your workout. So definitely go to the gym.
Okay, so no running, guys. We've heard it from the editor. Okay. Anyone else wants to discuss something around weight? Ask us any questions. We're here.
So how long did it take to get from 100 to 60?
Well, it took 18 months to get from 100 to 60, but it took 10 years to get from 60 to 100.
And to stay at 60? How many?
I've been at 60 now for about 3 years. And this book is insurance policy.
Oh,
so
fantastic.
anyone ever sees me eating, please stop me.
Oh, that deserves an applause. Okay.
Don't you think losing weight is easier than putting on weight? I mean, putting on weight is more fun. No, it's more fun, but it actually takes much longer. You can't put on like 10 kilos in a year.
You can. If you work at it, you can.
You shouldn't be working on putting on weight.